Hi guys, welcome back to We Food Hard. So for this week's cocktail, we're going to be making a Bloody Mary, but not just any Bloody Mary, a giant Bloody Mary. And the best part about this Bloody Mary recipe is that we're using the same ingredients that we used in our egg muffin recipe, which you can check that video out, or our breakfast pizza recipe. So to get started, I got this giant mason jar, and I took a lemon and I put it around the rim of the jar. And then I took the rim and then I dipped it into some celery salt. Then I filled the glass with ice. And then you're gonna take some vodka. I have about 4 ounces of vodka here. And the trick to making a really good Bloody Mary is to use cucumber vodka. So pour that in there. The next thing you'll wanna do is you'll wanna add some hot sauce and some Worcestershire sauce. I can never say that word. And you'll just place it in there. And that's how you know, like, if you want a spicy Bloody Mary, then you're gonna add more hot sauce to it. But if you don't really like a spicy Bloody Mary, then you wanna add less hot sauce or no hot sauce at all. Next, we'll take some more celery salt. I like a lot of celery salt, so I put quite a bit in there. And some peppers. And then I have some store-bought Bloody Mary mix. Put it in there and try not to get it all over. So for video purposes, we don't keep everything in the bottle with all the brand names on there. So when you're at home, you wouldn't normally do this. Next, because this is a giant mason glass, I'm not gonna shake the glass with a shaker on top, but if I had a smaller Bloody Mary, like one in this glass, that's what I would do. So for this one, I'm just gonna take this giant spoon, I'm gonna mix it up. You wanna mix it really good, so that way you're not getting too much of the spices at the bottom, at the end of your Bloody Mary. And you wanna taste that cucumber vodka throughout. Okay, so now that we have our Bloody Mary made, now's the fun part, to add the skewers. So for today, I have some pepper jack cheese chunks. So I'm just gonna slide those on there. I have some jalapeno stuffed green olives with some garlic in there. And then I like using these little pickles because I don't like taking the huge chunk of pickle out and eating it and then putting it back. So this is a nice little idea to use that instead. And then I have a couple slices of bacon. And again, same thing. I don't like using the long strips of bacon, so we just have the little chopped up pieces of bacon. And then I'm gonna do more cheese, some more pickle, some more olive. And then on the top one, I'm gonna do a piece of shrimp. And slide our skewer in so you can see everything. And then I will take, this is a good trick, instead of using all bacon, I like using these little beef sticks. And I slide those into the glass. And then I love shrimp, so I'll put shrimp all around the outside. I'm trying so you guys can see. And then I'm gonna do an extra olive on top. And a slice of lemon, just for some color, you know. Put your straw in. And that is a beautiful Bloody Mary. The most important part when you're done with this is to taste it. It's a good Bloody Mary. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget, work hard, food harder.